gonna make a lovely Sunday vegetable dish. I know you guys are gonna love this one. First of all, let's put 2 teaspoons of olive oil inside of the front pan. And all your veg, carrot, white onion, spring onion, fresh thyme, fresh garlic right here. Fry it up for about 3 to 4 minutes. And also I got some fresh tomato also inside of it. Really lovely and nice. Nice cabbage. You can see, and we got some sweet corn and also some broccoli also I'm going to put inside of it. And simple covered, not covered, simply put a little bit of pepper, hot pepper. And some salt. And cover it for roughly around 5 to 10 minutes. As you can see, all the veg look inside, looking lovely and really nice. Give it a little stir. So, as you can see, looking lovely inside of the top. Turning your stove a little bit lower. Simple. Give it a little bit of flavor by just adding some butter inside of it. And salted butter. Let's leave it for another 3 to 4 minutes. Lovely. And that is a lovely Sunday roast veg, Sunday veg, and a Sunday back in Jamaica. We don't normally do something like this to go with some rice and peas, plain rice, whatever you like. You can always have, you can have it on its own. I do a video like this before, but this one is a Sunday veg. This is what they do on a Sunday back in Jamaica. When you're gonna have a nice lovely Sunday meal like rice and peas, jerk chicken or fried chicken, whatever you like, you can have it. So now this is finished, and hopefully you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and enjoy wonderful Sunday veg. Nice. So as you can see, I just stir fry up the veg, and as I said before, it's a Sunday veg. But on a Sunday morning back in Jamaica, I remember those days, you can also have a lovely breakfast from this cabbage. Look how I did that a while ago. I just butter my bread, lay the mixed cabbage, the cabbage and the veg, everything together. I remember these days. Simple, and make yourself a nice lovely sandwich. And also you can bring this to work, share with your colleagues. You say to them, oh wow, this is nice. I like the idea. This is a lovely, lovely, lovely recipe, guys. I'm telling you. If you never tried this one before, try bread and cabbage, stir-fried cabbage sandwich. Just look at that. Really nice, wonderful, beautiful. And I want to say, guys, try this recipe at home. It's a really nice recipe. Stir-fried cabbage. And then you can make a nice lovely sandwich from it, and you can also bring it to work, share it with 2 of your colleagues, 2 of your friends, even your manager. tell him to try this recipe. You ask him where he saw this recipe, tell him on Chef Ricardo cooking program. So you can tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend and a friend, tell a friend, and everybody know about this recipe. And also a vegetarian can have it also for sandwich for work. So guys, enjoy the recipe and leave your comments below if you like this recipe. Thank you very much.